Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please, if you like hauls, reviews, keto related things, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video if you're new here, and if you love me, that's a line from Joni. I'm gonna take it, Keto Diamond. Thank you, lady. Today, I'm going to start my review on Chomps. So if you don't know what Chomps is, they are a huge like beef stick out in the keto community. I've always seen them on Instagram and through many different other people's channels. I've got them in the keto crates before, and basically they sent me one of every flavor. Now the flavors that they sent me were original flavor, which I just enjoyed, and it not as salty as like a Slim Jim, but very comparable in my opinion, the flavor to a Slim Jim, only better, if that makes sense. They sent me original turkey, Italian style, which I have tried because this was in the keto crate, sea salt beef, which I'm very excited to try that. It sounds really good. Crankin' cranberry, gotta be honest, I'm scared to try this one. Jalapeno turkey, sort of interested in that. Cracked pepper and sea salt, I'm very interested in that one. And hoppin' jalapeno, kind of scared. I mean, I like kind of spicy things now, so it's not so bad. So those are the flavors that they sent me. It's like a bouquet of meat, and it's beautiful. I'm excited to try all of these out. Obviously, I can't do the full review until I've tried all of them. So obviously I can't try them all today. Like I did with the Ultima Refresher Electrolytes packets, I'm going to try one, and every time I try one, I'm going to let you know how the flavor was, the texture, and everything like that, and let it be a true review. So the review on the original is it sort of tastes like a Slim Jim, but thicker, because they are thick, if you can see. It's a nice size beef stick. So I do say that this is comparable to, in my opinion, that the flavor wise was comparable to a Slim Jim, which is absolutely one of my favorite things is Slim Jims. So yes, girl, yes. Or boy, I'm sorry. Yes, girl, yes, boy, yes. This is good. I do have an affiliate link with these guys, so if you use my code, you will save money if you decide to buy Chomps, and I will get a little kickback too. So in the description box, as always, that is linked below. I think they're having a thing going on in May. I don't know when this video will go up though, but that's okay. You'll still be able to save money if you use my code, or you could use anybody else's code. I know Aaron Does the Keto has a Chomps one, and Keto Jinx has a Chomps one. So use whoever code you want. I'm not picky. Chomps is good. I'll see you guys next time when I try another flavor, which is probably tomorrow. Okay, bye. Hey guys, today I'm trying the jalapeno turkey Chomps. Try it. I don't have any spice. This is definitely not spicy at all. It's not bad. There's such a light hint of jalapeno that I don't even know if you could really call this jalapeno. I hate, not that I hate, I don't really care for spicy things. This is not spicy at all. Zero spice. Yeah, I would not consider this spicy. Alright, as soon as I turned the video off, I took another bite, and I must have got a bite of a little piece of jalapeno, because that one tastes like jalapeno. I wish it was more throughout the stick though. Oh my god, I just went. Hey guys, enjoying a Chomps right now. Sea salt and beef. I really like the flavoring. This one is kind of like oily though. It leaves like an oil coat in your mouth. Not sure why, because the other ones don't. But I really like the sea saltiness of this. This is a good one. If you don't mind that coating. Otherwise, gonna try the original turkey.
On here, keep the bacteria down. We still have months of good oral antibiotics. And now I'm just going to pack it just like we've done every day, wrap it up, and do the exact same thing tomorrow. Just change his bandage. Okay, we're running on empty here with the
That's good. The texture on this one is different. I'm sorry, I can't even see my head. The texture on this one is different. It doesn't have the same casing as the original did. I actually like this one better than the original so far. And this is just, what is this one? This one is just original turkey. This one's good. Hey guys, today I am trying cracked pepper and sea salt. This is the venison. Okay, I don't think I've really ever had venison. Tried it a couple of times, probably without knowing. But I've already taken a bite of this, and I really like it. It was very good. I like the peppery. It's not too peppery. It does have a really nice pepper taste. I like this. I really like the flavor of this one. This may be one of my favorites. How crazy, because I never thought that I would have eaten venison. That's really good. I like it. Alright guys, so I have 3 flavors of Chomps left. Crankin' Cranberry, Hoppin' Jalapeno, the beef, and the Italian style. Now, in my very first keto crate, I had Italian salt, so I already know what that tastes like. It's good. I've had Hoppin' Jalapeno, the venison one, and I liked it. I already reviewed it. So the only one left is the Crankin' Cranberry, which sounds really freaking weird. So I'm gonna try it. This one has 4 carbs. Did not even realize that, so we'll try it. It's spicy. I don't get a cranberry taste. And honestly, I do not like it. I don't know. I do not get any sort of cranberry taste. Maybe if I go deeper in. It's a very weird spice. What is in this? Red pepper must be the spicy. Oh, it's got habanero. I don't know. I don't care for that one. And it's not the spiciness. I don't know what it is exactly. I don't taste any cranberryness. It just has a weird spiciness that I'm not liking. So, I don't recommend the Crankin' Cranberry one. But overall, out of all of the Chomps, I think my favorite was the original. I did like the Hoppin' Jalapeno, the venison, and the cracked black pepper and salt venison. I think those were all my favorites. And then I do like the Italian. I think my least favorites, definitely this Crankin' Cranberry. We'll leave my code down below, so if you want to try out Chomps, then you can use my discount code and save some money on your order, and I'll get a little bit of something from that. I do recommend these. A lot of people really enjoy these. I'm curious to think, does anybody else not like this flavor? Am I the only one? Am I weird? Let me know down below if you've tried Chomps, if you like the cranberry one. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next review, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.